This is the bubble lawn mower. Yay! Wow! Look! Wow! This is the bubble solution. And wait a minute. Oops! There are three. There are three bubble solution. We put it right here. We put it right here. Okay. And then these are the wheels. Look, Ate Clary. These are the wheels.
This is orange.
Wow! It's orange. That's the handle. That's the handle. Look at the wheels. Hold on. Okay, we'll put the handle here. Wow!
No, this one is the lines.
This way. Okay.
This
And
is
then careful. What's next? Here. Next, this is a spelling game. Look, Ate Clary. It's a spelling game.
Oh yeah.
Wow! Letters with different colors. And then some placards.
Oh, let's go. Card.
Oh, next, some letters with different colors. Next,
Spelling.
this is
Please, Daddy.
finger. It's a finger puppet.
Oh.
Okay. Clary wants to put it here,
Bunny.
and then Champy wants to.
Where are you?
Can we try it?
Here,
Champ, can we try it?
How did you do?
Wow!
Hi. What you're doing, you mouse?
Put me on there as well. No?
One.
Wow!
Oh, Bobby, I have where
Next, we have the elephant, panda, parrot,
This is
camel,
the pup.
lion,
Yeah.
and a frog.
Oh,
Okay? Next! Woohoo!
thank
Oh, you help me. Champy, help. Ate Clary, help. Ate Clary, help. Help me.
Cars, Daddy. Are you, Daddy? You cars? Like cars, Daddy? Oh, like this one, cars. This one.
Okay. Wait. Come here.
It's trash.
So, how can we open it? Ate Clary, can you help Daddy out?
Okay, I'll go help.
Okay. How?
Yeah, sure. Oh, help me.
How?
Oh, I will help
Can we
you,
open?
Daddy.
Okay, we can open it here.
Okay, I will help you,
Help me,
Daddy.
please.
Oh.
Thank you, Ate Clary. Okay. Next.
This is cars. Daddy, look.
Wow.
We have this one.
Then, what's this? Look. It's a magnetic toy. Okay. So, Ate Clary, come. Come here. Look. See? Look at this, Ate Clary. Come. Clary.
Okay. I will go.
Come here, look, oh. Look at this. Look. Ate Clary, come.